Indonesia Ocean Wave 41 from Sumatra to Java, Bali, Lombok, Sumbawa, Sumba, approx. We have some 15,000 kilometers coastline. Now, each 300 meters we could have a wave like quality of NIAS, quality of many different waves in Indonesia, but not inland, just coral, artificial coral that provides life, and each 300 meters we could have 300 jobs perpetuity. Everybody is thinking about this tourism, but everybody forgets about life perpetual, forever, using free energy of the oceans that are going up, and therefore we can calculate the intrinsic value every 300 meters multiply. If it is 15,000 kilometers times 3, that's 45,000. The volume of the waves that could be generated is not artificial, it's natural. It's just make like in Australia, human-made coral that provides life and fishing and so on. Therefore, it is really something to study, because no one ever has granted its own citizens for perpetuity free surfing and free living in the coastline. So perhaps Australia is the first country in the planet to have made this one wave. Perhaps now in Indonesia the government thinks about providing forever healthy lifestyle, and also these coral reefs will provide a lot of fishing and natural life for all of you for many years until this planet is gone. Thank you. Bye.